Ladies and gentlemen, we need to make an outside sign because we have a 4 millimeters thick sheet of metal, and we will do it by ourselves. So I thought that we will cut the letters, put it at 10 centimeters from the wall outside, and like this we can put some light behind. That's why, you know, I prepared, our colleague Vusal did so he projected the image, I did everything with a marker. So now I just have to go and to cut this with a plasma, manual plasma. Let's see if I'm any good doing this. Vusal, I think we made an orthographic mistake. Now we cannot correct, so it will be like this. Okay. No, I would like to put these behind to make some light. That's why, you know, first I will test to see the color. Okay. I think we will put one on one side, another one behind. What do you think, like one side and another side?
Yeah, that's the only option. And the good thing is it's not white, it's like
Yellow a little. Okay, my question is, do I fix them on the wall or do I fix them on the metal? Maybe on the metal.
yeah, but in case it will have to change it.
It will be just screwed, you see?
Okay.
I just use screws, so it's okay. You know, okay, so I'll put one here, one there, and yeah, one here, one there. Like this, I think it will be okay. Okay, let's see what length I need here. Okay, so this length, the length of this will be okay, and I put one here and one on the other side. So it will be on the other side but directed like this, and the other one in the other direction. Okay, let's first mark, then have a lunch break, and then make a montage. I think it won't take long.
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do your sign when you are poor as a church rat. No, church mouse. I don't know how do you say church mice, church mouse. There was such an expression, something with church, but something poor. Okay, so see you next episode. Follow us, like, subscribe.